Okay, guys, I just wanted to go over what you're going to be doing in class today. Okay, but before we dive too far into that, you're going to have a quick, on the next slide after this video, you're going to have a quick 5 minutes of GimKit practice where you're identifying the pattern inside of an equation. And again, that pattern inside the equation is whatever value is touching the x. So if it was like 3x plus 7, then it would be 3 would be your pattern. So you'd say it would be 3 for that. Okay. So that's what you're going to get started with. So you'll have 5 minutes on that GimKit, and then you'll come back to this Nearpod and finish everything off. And we'll dive into where that Nearpod starts real quick. And I'm just going to do a quick overview, and then you're going to have some time to do all your independent work today. So let's start off with the slope-intercept groove in case you guys cannot remember what it was. Okay, and again, it was just find the slope and where it goes. Change in y over x. Let's go now. Everybody can find the slope. Mx plus b. Positive slope groove. Negative slope groove. Zero slope groove. Undefined slope groove. Okay? So that's how that started off. Again, you can do it. It goes to the Soldier Boy Crank That song if you wanted to practice it. That's where that goes. We also will be learning a new song with you guys on Thursday. Actually, you guys get 2 new songs on Thursday. The MX plus B song, like I said, which we'll just save and we'll give it to you guys on Thursday for the first time. So you can skip past that. But what we're going to be looking at is, let me switch my screen real quick to student view, and I'm going to go over just 2 examples of this, and then you'll have the rest of the period to work on that independent work that's posted there. So here we go. Let's go. We have our 2x plus 7 and 5x plus 13. So I'm going to write in my 2x plus 7 and 5x plus 13. Okay. And if we remember from last week, we can just go ahead if we wanted to and just write our mx plus b under this. So mx plus b. And if we remember those pieces of our mx plus b, you could say that right here, this b is just when x equals 0. So I'm going to come up here and write in my 7 there. And the 2 is just my pattern of how I move. So that's a plus 2. So that means every time I move, I'm going plus 2. Plus 2. So that would be 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 2 is 13. Plus 2 is 15. And if I wanted to go backwards, I can go in reverse. I could say 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 3 plus 2 is 5. And I could do the exact same thing over here with 13. Go to where x is 0, and I can plug in my 13. And then my pattern is plus 5. So every time I move now, I'm going to go plus 5. So this would be 18, 23, 28, 33. If I wanted to go backwards, I could say what plus 5 is 13. Well, that would be 8. This would be 3. And to finish it off, all I need to do is find the point where both sides are equal, which is right there. So it'd be at x equals negative 2 and y equals 3. Okay? And that's how I would solve that problem using my slope-intercept equation, which is right there. Okay? Let's do one more example, and then I'm going to let you guys finish this off on your own. So we have our 3x plus 2 on one side, so I'm going to write in my 3x plus 2. So here's my mx plus b under it. And 4x minus 1. Again, I have my mx plus b here. Okay, so from here, I'm going to take the b is when x equals 0, so I'm going to move my 2 to where x equals 0. The pattern or the slope is plus 3, so I know every time I move, I'm going like this. So this would be 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. If I wanted to go the other direction, negative 1 plus 3 is 2. And negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Now on this side, when I'm at my b is -1, so I'm going to come up here and put -1 with my 0, and my pattern is +4. So +4, -1 plus 4 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 4 is 11, and then 15. If I wanted to go backwards, -5 plus 4 is -1, and -9 plus 4 is -5. So now all I need to do is find the place where they are both equal, and that happens right here at 311. Okay, so x would equal 3, and y would equal 11. And that's all you're doing on this independent work today, guys. You have 10 problems there. You can either do them on a separate sheet of paper and email it to me, or you can just do it inside the Nearpod and submit it at the end. Whatever works best for you. Okay, it's your call. But yeah, that's what you guys are doing. I will have homework sessions from 2 to 3 on on Wednesday and Thursday. So tomorrow and Thursday. If you need extra help, or if those don't work for you, just shoot me an email. I'll try my best to meet up with you and get you guys squared away. With that being said, good luck on your work, guys, and have a wonderful afternoon.